Hey everyone, my name is Pritam and you are watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel and I'm back with another exciting video in this new series that we are doing, ServiceNow Virtual Agent, where I'm showing you how you can develop your chatbot or virtual agent from the scratch. Right, so from last four part we have seen that how the virtual agent works, how we can create virtual agent, what are the different things available in virtual agent, like how you can design it with the help of the designer tab, and also like how you can test it inside of service portal. We have also discovered how you can do the branding of your ServiceNow bot, and very importantly we have also started creating our topic, that is the Outlook issue topic. So from last two part I have shown you that how you can start creating topic, what are the things that you need to use, like what are the bot responses available, what are the utilities available, what are the user input available. In my last video you have shown that how I have used the static choice option, how I link the knowledge article, how the take with free bot, the name of the bot that we have given, right? How the take with free bot is helping the user try to solve the Outlook issue, right? So we have given different options for the user, and also we are trying to make it functional with different steps. Right, so if you haven't watched all of those last part, or if you missed the last part only, don't worry, I'm going to put the link in the description for all the parts, and also for the last part you can get the link from here. All my request is to watch this series from the beginning so that you can practice with me in your personal developer instance and you can build your own bot from the scratch. Okay, so let's go and let's see what we are going to learn from today's video. All right, so in the part 5, we would continue our work in our topic that we have created in the part 3, that's the Outlook issue. And we are improving the topic, improving the user experience, and I'm trying to show you that what are the different options that you can add in your topic. Also, we have seen very important like how you can link knowledge article, display knowledge article in front of the user, how you can give option to the user that whether this is helpful or not. So I think last part was very crucial one, because I believe most of the part like how you create topic with different options, different utilities that I've shown you on the last part. And today, like I said, we would continue from there. And especially the thing that we are going to do today is we would understand topic block. So we have understood topic, we have also understood setup topic while doing the branding video I've shown you. Next, how topic block works. So we would see existing topic block which is there, that comes out of the box service now, and I'll try to show you, I'll try to explain you how they are working. Example, like I said, implementation. So we would use topic block. So the main thing that we are going to do in today's video is we are going to use that create incident, right? Create incident topic block. So in the last video you have seen that we are trying to display a knowledge article to the user, so and we are also asking that whether it helps or not. So what we want is, if that doesn't help user will have the option to create a ticket directly inside of the bot. So bot would create the ticket behalf of the user don't need to do anything on that. Isn't it cool? So our main attraction of today's video is that we will see and we will learn with the help of topic block how our TechWithPri bot would be able to create ticket behalf of the user. Ticket means I'm talking about the incident, right? Isn't it interesting? And definitely, finally, we are going to test it. Before I jump to my personal developer instance, do watch the complete video so that you can practice with me, you can understand this concept, and you can implement it in your personal developer instance. Let's jump to my PDI. Okay, so here I am in my personal developer instance. So from here, you know where I need to go is the designer under the virtual agent. So the designer module is the main module where you can create topic block and do all kind of configuration, right? And the topic that we were working is the Outlook issue, right? And if I open this one, and you can see here, this is where we left last day, right? Let me drag this. So this is where it's starting. I'm just doing the quick recap. So it's starting, and then it is giving the options like how may I help you in the Outlook. So there we have different issues that we have selected again for the demo purpose. And then we have also given an option others. So you can see for all the options that we have, like add-ins issue, unable to open email, Outlook is not opening, Outlook is slow. So we have tried to given different solution here. For an example, Outlook is slow, we have attached a knowledge article with the help of the link. Bot from bot response, we have used the link one, and then we created the label, and then the link is attached. This is a permalink, guys. Again, I have explained what is permalink, so if you missed that, you please do watch the last video. All right, so this is how we have done. And also, also we try to solve, I mean, give user steps in this way. Like this is the bot response, this is link, and this is bot response text. So also we try to give users options in this way. Okay, this is what we have done, and then we have checked whether the issue is resolved or not. What we have done is that if it is yes, issue is resolved, you can see the condition is set, issue resolved is check marked. Then it is great, it is showing great, and it's ending the chat flow. If user clicks on no, if the issue it's not solved, then user would get this two option, create ticket and live agent support. So today I'm going to show you how you can configure create ticket. However, configuring live agent support, it's kind of a difficult because it's a developer instance, and but I hope I have already cleared the concept of live agent support. I would do it again maybe later in the video or maybe in the next video, so don't worry on that. But create ticket is something that we are going to deal with it. So before we start working on it, and you know what I need to do is that I need to open the service portal where I can test the chat, right? Where I can test the our TechWithPri bot, it is working or not. So this is the service portal. There's a chat icon, and you can see this is the custom greetings that we have applied and dynamic greetings. So these are the things you have already have seen, all the my icon, my background color, each and everything already have explained in my previous part. Okay, so now this is fine, but here if I come back here in the designer tab, let me zoom it out so that you can watch it clearly. Now in this help icon, I have done in the static choice of help. What I've done is that create ticket and live agent op support, right? Now user would get these two options, but what would happen once user will click on create ticket, that we haven't done. For that, you know, right? Yes, we need to choose the decision, because two options are there, either create ticket, live agent support. Both options would be visible for the user, and user has to choose one option. So once user choose suppose create ticket, then what would happen that we can configure with the help of this design. So already I think I have explained in the same way while doing this one, like user would get the different Outlook issues options, and from there user would choose one, and based on users click, based on different options, it would show different result. So I'll come here, and now what I'm going to do is that I'll do for create ticket. So create ticket, and the condition would be, what is the name of the node? Help. So condition would be when help is create ticket. Okay. And let's also do that live agent support. And then here I can add condition again. Help is live agent support. Done. This is done. Again, it's a good habit that you always save it so that you don't lose anything. Okay, now create ticket. Now what would happen? Now here comes the concept of topic block. What I need to do is that I need to add a topic block here. Where I can find the topic block? I can find the topic block from this utilities tab, right? I can simply drag this topic block here. Now the question is, what is this topic block? So topic block is something you can understand already, it is there in the option utilities. So it is something that we can drag inside of a topic, and we can use some specific topic block, list of topic block. You can see select a topic block. These are the topic block that is created by the system automatically. This is out of the box, but you can create your own topic block. It's normal. I mean, if you understand how topic block works, you can create your own topic block. However, I'm not going to show you that how you can create a topic block, but I will show you existing topic block and how it is working. Okay, so before I choose a topic block from here, let me go to the, let me duplicate this tab so that I can show you other topic block and how you can find the topic block. Okay, so I'm here. So from here I can choose topic block, and you see these are the out of the box topic block available here. You can see search catalog item, SMS verification, soft pin verification, survey, transfer to live agent, right? This is something that we can use uh, for this one, for the live agent support, right? The one that we are going to use today is the create incident. This one, create incident. This is the one we are going to use, and this is a topic block. And it looks quite complex, but I'll make it a duplicate because I want to show you how it is working. And you know that without duplicating it, I won't be able to use because this is read only. Create inc. Okay, I'll save it. Here we go. Our topic block is now is ready. I mean, we can check it. We have just duplicated it. So the name is simple. Type topic block. Name is create inc that I have given. Let's go to the flow and let's see what it is there. So what would happen is that if I click on start, so whenever you create a topic block, input parameter is very common. Okay, what is the meaning of input parameters? This create a inc, this is a topic block that we are going to use from this topic. This is a topic, right? Outlook issue we have created. So now if I go back here and if you read this, define the input to the topic block. Topic authors will provide these input values from the calling topic. So some value will pass in this topic block from the topic itself. How it is happening? So let me show you. So let me choose the topic block, create incident. You may question like why create inc it's not there, because I've just duplicated it. I have not make it publish. It is not active also because I'm just trying to show you that how it is working. So once you choose the topic block name, you can see under that there is a node name, and here there are some star field which you need to fill up, because see what it is going to do. If any of the Outlook, suppose you are looking for help in the add-ins part, okay, if you are looking for help in the add-ins part, we are trying to show some information, some link where user can try to find the solution. If user is not happy with the solution, user would come here and choose no option. Then user would get these two options like create ticket, live agent support. So if user choose create ticket, while creating the incident in ServiceNow, you know that caller and short description, these field are star field. I mean, you have to put the information. So when our TechWithPri bot will create the incident behalf of the user, TechWithPri bot also needs to this two information, because this two information will pass to the topic block, create incident, and here you can see this is the topic block. However, I just renamed it. So and here it would come and that start and see this caller and short description, this field are required as marked as required. You can uncheck it, that's a different thing. But what it is meaning, that's what I'm trying to show you, that what it is trying to say, that this caller and short description, it would collect from this topic and then it would pass to here in this variable caller and short description, right? All right, now here is some coding that is definitely is there while creating a topic block, but I promised you that we won't go deeper in programming, that's for sure, but I would try to explain you what it is trying to say, because if you understand what the topic block is trying to say, then it would become very easy for you. And if you have any programming knowledge like JavaScript or Python, then you would be able to also understand this. But don't worry, if you don't have any knowledge of programming, that is also fine. I'm trying to explain you later when I will start the ServiceNow developer series. There I would explain ServiceNow scripting and each and every detail of it. Okay, so don't worry on that. Let's see what is there. So simply it's a JavaScript code, it is written. So first they are different variable, they have declared caller, short description, urgency, and they are putting the value via inputs, means the input value from the what it is getting from the user. Like via inputs dot caller means the caller who is logged in. Short description means whatever the short description is typing. Urgency description, we are not asking for the user. This is a template you could see. And here what it is saying, if caller field and short description is not null, you can see it's not, right? So if it is nil, I mean nil or null, that means if caller is not filled up, then it won't work. It has to be, both of this field has to be filled up, and that's what we have just seen in the topic block requirement. Then this is a variable inc details, where now this is a function va create inc util, and from here it is using a method called create incident. Then it is passing the caller, short description, all this value, and incident is getting created. I think I have tried my best to give you a simple idea how it is working. VA words, so like VA inputs, we have VA words. VA words means this is the variable declaration. In this variable, you can use inside of different node. right? So again, don't go in the complex way, just storing the sysid, sysid or the GUID. However, it is showing create request or incident, but it is only showing the steps for creating incident. That's fine. Then we can, if you want to attach anything in the record, you can see attach incident record to conversation. There is a simple VA system attach record. Then it is checking you are created or the universal request is there or not. Nothing to be worried. So all there, this is the main part, or I can say this is the main area where it is creating the incident, the function is getting called. Then it is taking the decision, checking that whether it's a request or it's an incident. So if it's a no, you can see this is a condition here. If VA vars you are created is false, so if there is no request created, if it's a false, then that means it would create an incident. So this is how it works. Incident created, you can see simple, you will get a message, okay, I have opened a new ticket for you and someone will help you shortly. These lines you can change, this is a simple string based on your needs. And then display incident. Now this is something very it's important. This is, if I go here under bot response, this is the card. They have just added a card response here, right? Like the text link that we have already checked in the last video. In the card, it is showing that display incident card type record. From where? From the incident table. What is the condition? Which incident it is showing? Now this is the condition where the sysid is script variable inc sysid. So this is a script variable that if you I go here in the again, see, this is the script variable which is which is storing the incident, which is storing the sysid of the incident which is getting created. So it would display, where is the card? It would display the record, only that record. What are the fields going to be displayed? Short description, state, priority, category, assignment group. These are so many fields, but I'm not sure that whether all of the fields will be visible. Now what we want is that this is the topic block that we have created, so let's use that so that I can change some things. So let's make it publish, so it is active also. You can see this is a create inc, so now I would be able to find it, I should be. Now let's choose our new topic block, that is the create inc. Done. And from the, for the caller, what caller I want to share here, it would be the user ID of the person who is logged in right now, right? So I'll go to the user and then I would try to find the user ID. This is again something I have already explained. These are the VA inputs. Now the short description. So I want, now here something we can do. Uh, Maybe when user choose this create ticket option, we would ask user for some information like, so for an example, user input, I can add it here, text. What I want to ask user is description of the issue so that we can pass this in the short description field in the ServiceNow ticket. So here it would ask, please describe the issue you are facing in Outlook, right? Because it's Outlook topic. Text format, right? Fine. That's it. Save. Okay, I need to put this description above here. First, when user will choose create ticket option, it would ask user this question, please describe the issue you are facing in Outlook. And this particular value, this description value would go in the short description field. So I just need to go here, input variables, and I need to choose the description. That's it. Done. Then I can end this once the incident is done. So what would happen is that whenever user will choose create ticket option, it would ask user this question, describe your issue, and this information will be passed to the create incident, this topic block, which is open here on the left hand side. Okay. So let's first see how it is working. So I'm gonna publish it. So I'm here in the service portal. I'll open our chat window. Okay, so I'm here. I'm gonna choose the Outlook issue, and I can choose any of the options from here. Outlook is slow, not opening. Outlook is not opening. So it will try to give me a knowledge article. Is this issue solved? No, it is not solved. Now I'm going to get the option. Please choose the below options for further help. Create ticket, live agent support. I want create ticket. See, the way you want, it is actually working like that. So I would type maybe Outlook is freezing. That's it. Let's see now. I have opened a new ticket for you and someone will help you shortly. See, and our ticket is created. It is showing me the state, the short description, the priority, and the category. So what happened just, I'll just quickly explain. Once I choose the create ticket option, I pass the description. Now this information description and the name of the user ID of the user, these two information has been sent to the topic block create inc. And I'll jump back to the create inc topic block. This is a create inc topic block. On the start, you can see it is taking the color and short description value. And in this line of code, you can see it is putting variable color va inputs.color, whatever the color, the user ID of the color, then the short description. It is not taking urgency description. Then this two has been taken, and here it is sending in the function create incident. So that means you can add many more field here if you want based on your need, and then you can pass it to the incident. Done. After that, it is creating the incident, checking this different stuff, and then it is giving me this message. Okay, I have opened a new ticket for you and someone will help you shortly. The message that you have just seen here, right? This is the message. And then it is displaying the incident. Now let's see the incident. So if from a user point of view, if user click on that incident, it would show user as a user view, like if user creates the incident by themselves, right, from the service portal. I've shown you how it is possible in the service catalog video. So here you can see, user can see this number is generated, this is created. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that as I'm the administrator, I can open this incident. So what I'm going to do is that I'll search the incident number here. You can see Outlook is freezing. The ticket is getting generated. Outlook is freezing, but the caller field is not showing. I need to check why it is. All right, so now I understand why it is not showing the caller, because we didn't put the sys ID of the user. We try to put the user ID. Sys ID is the one, I mean, in the reference, because caller is a reference field, right, in incident form. And I've already explained you before that the reference field, the meaning of reference field means it stores the sys ID of that particular value from different table. For an example, so while creating the incident in the caller field, you try to give the name, right? Name of the user, and the name of the user stores in the user table. In the caller field, which is the reference field, it only stores the sys ID of that particular record. So what we need to do, same input variables user, just instead of user ID, I'm going to type sys ID. There's a GUID. So I'll choose that. That's it. And I'm going to click on publish. So again, I'll quickly go to the Outlook issue, choose anything. Just we are testing our incident topic. No. Create ticket. Outlook is not working. Enter. So a new incident will be created. And this time the number is 006. So I'll go here. Here I will search for it. So it would be 6. Outlook is not working. Now let's see. You can see in the caller field system administrator is visible because I'm passing the sys ID. You can see I'm passing the sys ID of that field. So it is showing the caller field. So now you know how you can use topic block. Now you know how bot can create incident behalf of the user. Now this is the what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to show you different options. So now here you can edit this scripting little bit if you want to do, and you can add more options if you want to display some information in the description. If you want to ask more question to the user, I've already done the description, you can do that. So as many as you can proceed with. So okay, so all you need to do in your personal developer instance, you have to explore it, you have to practice it a lot so that you can try with different things, and you know you get the knowledge of using this ServiceNow virtual agent. In the next video, that will be the last part of the video, don't miss it out. We are going to explore very important thing, that is the natural language understanding, intent and utterance. These are the main important things of any chatbot that we are going to discuss. It would be the last part again, so don't miss it out. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any question, come to the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye bye, see you in my next video.